I plucked 4 guavas from the tree today. Let's use them to make the 4 times table. Just 4 guavas to make the whole table? Won't we need more? No, we won't. See how we make the table. Place the guavas in a row. Now, Yash, you count them once and write 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. That is, 4 ones are 4. Yash did that. Rama, you count the guavas again, but start counting after 4. Rama counted 5, 6, 7, 8 and wrote the next line of the table. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8, or 4 twice are 8. Yash, now you make the next line. Yash counted the same guavas a third time, counting after 8. He wrote the next line as 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12, or 4 thrice are 12. Now I got it. You can count only 4 guavas again and again to get the 4 times table. So I'll complete the table. Table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40.